Meaning of freesia.
freesia,
Freesia.
freesia,
Freesia. Freesia is a type of fragrant flowering plant that belongs to the family Iridaceae and is native to southern Africa. The name Freesia is believed to have been named after a German physician named Friedrich Heinrich Theodor Fries. Freesias typically grow from a corm and produce narrow, sword-shaped leaves and highly fragrant flowers in various colors, such as pink, white, yellow, and purple. The freesia is often used as a cut flower in floral arrangements due to its delicate appearance and sweet scent.